In this tutorial, I'd like to give you yet another example of our three-hand problem. The idea that we're playing so many parts, we feel like there's another hand in there playing, or we feel like we need another hand to help us out. And this is Lullaby by Isak Roux, a wonderful piece by a composer from South Africa. The lullaby is the melody in the left hand, and the left hand only plays one part at the beginning. So this composer clearly marks different dynamic levels for specific parts to really make it clear which parts you should bring out of the texture of 3 or 4 voices sometimes. It looks like the right hand is really complicated, so you would direct your attention to everything that's going on, but this is the part that has the louder dynamic level. So, in fact, you do have to play 2 parts in the right hand. It's a little bit more contrapuntal than some of the other examples that you may have already seen. So this is actually really good preparation for the kind of texture you'll see in Bach, not the 2-part inventions, but the 3-part inventions. It's more of a contrapuntal texture. Then in the next phrase, it's an excellent example of what I'm talking about with third hand, because you have each hand plays the main melody. And then in the middle, in the midst of that, you literally just want a third hand to fit here in the middle and play the inner voices. But that's not possible, so our thumbs come into play again to help us out with that. So I am listening for these outer parts and just gently fitting in the inner voices. Another thing that you may have noticed is I'm not using pedal in this demonstration phase. It does call for pedal, no doubt about it, but he also marks very clear staccato markings. To denote a lift to the phrase or a relaxation of one voice as it continues. So here's a full run through.